Hello and welcome to this lecture, and from this lecture onwards we will be using PyCharm. So PyCharm is the IDE which we have already installed. So if you have a desktop icon of PyCharm on your desktop, you could simply open this thing up. So if you want to open up PyCharm, simply go to the search window and type in PyCharm, and the PyCharm is going to pop up and you simply need to click this and PyCharm is going to open up for you. So once this thing opens up, you might not be having these files on the left hand side because these are my own projects which I have created as demo. And what you need to do here is that you need to create a new project. So simply click on this thing which says create a new project, and here what you need to do is that you actually need to create a project. So you could specify a location manually here, but I am going to leave it as default one, and make sure that you have the interpreter selected. Now simply click on create, and it is going to create a brand new project for us. So as you could see, this untitled 4 right here is nothing but our project. And what a project is essentially it is a folder which is going to contain all our Python files. So as we will be moving along the duration of this course, we are going to have multiple files, and what this PyCharm IDE does is that it allows you to maintain these files so that you could easily access them and edit them. So right now we only have a Python folder and we don't have any file in it. So in order to make a new Python file, you simply right click over here, go to new and select the Python file, and here let's name our Python file as demo, and make sure you select the Python file over here, then click OK. And as you could see, now we are into our file which is demo.py. Now even before writing any code here, I would like to point out a thing that you could also change the theme of your current IDE to something else. So for example, if you have downloaded PyCharm for the very first time, then you might be having a white theme, but in my case I have a darker theme. So if you want to change your theme, you could simply go to File, go to Settings, go to Editor, Colors and Fonts, and in Colors and Fonts you could go here, and in this scheme you could select the theme which is called as Darkula. Now I am actually using Darkula copy because I have modified it a little bit. So once you select the Darkula theme, you could simply go here and click OK, and you will also have a darker theme like me. But if you prefer a white theme, then even that is okay. It does not matter. It is just a matter of personal choice, but I just wanted to explain you that. Now let's go ahead and let's learn how to actually write in a program in PyCharm and how to actually execute it. So for example purpose, let's write a simple hello world program. So I'm going to simply type in print, and in quotations I am going to type in hello world. So once your program is done, what you could simply do is that you could go over here and click on save all. So save all is essentially going to save all the files in your folder, but currently as we only have one file, that means it is going to save a single file. So if you click save all, that means your program is saved. Now you could also use Ctrl S to save your program, and once the program is saved, you could simply right click anywhere over here, and here you have an option to run your program. So if you simply click this thing right here, as you could see right here, you will get output of your program. So as you could see, we got the output as hello world. So that's how you basically write in some Python program in PyCharm, which is an IDE. So that's it for this lecture, and the main purpose of this lecture was to get you familiar with the PyCharm IDE and to tell you guys how to write in a Python code in PyCharm, how to set up your project, how to create a Python file, and how to execute the code which you have written in the Python file. So that's it for this lecture, and I'll see you guys in the next lecture. Thank you.